Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at the Breville Barista Pro, right? A popular choice for home espresso.
Yep, and I've got the Bosch 800 series VeroCafe here. Definitely different beasts. The Breville is more of an enthusiast machine, while the Bosch aims for convenience.
Exactly. Let's dive in and see which one wins the coffee crown. The Breville is a semi-automatic, so you're in control. You grind, tamp, and manage the extraction. Think of it as a hands-on, almost artistic experience.
The Bosch, on the other hand, is fully automatic. You literally push a button, and it handles everything from grinding to brewing. Plus, it boasts Home Connect, letting you control it from your phone. Imagine starting your coffee from bed.
That app control is slick. The Breville keeps it simple with an LCD screen, showing you the grind size and extraction time. It's all about mastering the fundamentals.
The Bosch has a 5-inch active select display, a full touchscreen. It offers a staggering 35 different beverages, from a classic Americano to more exotic options found in the Coffee World section of the app.
Wow, 35. The Breville focuses on nailing that perfect espresso. It uses a precision conical burr grinder with dose control to deliver the right amount of coffee and precise temperature control, PID, to ensure optimal extraction.
This Bosch also has a ceramic grinder, known for its durability and consistent grind. You can tweak the aroma with 3 different profiles: mild, balanced, or distinctive, and 4 coffee strength options. So much customization.
The Breville boasts a thermojet heating system that heats up in a lightning-fast 3 seconds, perfect for those impatient mornings.
Speed is key. The Bosch has a guided Calc and Clean program which walks you through cleaning and descaling. Super important for keeping the machine running smoothly and your coffee tasting great.
Cleaning is a necessary evil. The Breville includes single and dual wall filter baskets, the Razor Precision Dose trimming tool, a stainless steel milk jug, and a cleaning kit.
This Bosch comes with cleaning and descaling tablets, a Movea water filter, a milk frother connection hose, and even a microfiber cloth. They really thought of everything.
Oh, the Breville has a powerful steam wand for creating microfoam milk, essential for latte art. Show off your barista skills.
True, latte art is impressive. This Bosch has a double cup feature, brewing 2 drinks simultaneously. Perfect for couples or when you need an extra boost.
Ultimately, it depends on what you're looking for. Do you want a hands-on experience, mastering the art of espresso? Or do you want full automation and a wide variety of drinks at the touch of a button? Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.